So today I'll be showing you how to stack widgets on the home screen of your Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you may have a widget like this one. Okay, so this is the dual clock widget. You can actually stack another widget on top of this one by long pressing on the current widget and then tapping on create stack. So basically, once you tap on create stack, it's gonna give you the widget section, and you can see all the applications that have widgets you can stack onto that one. So let's say you wanna add a widget from Facebook. So look for a widget that looks like that one. So we don't find one here. Let's try another app like the Google app. This widget looks almost similar to that one. So you can tap on that and then tap on add. And then choose exactly the one you want. I'm gonna choose that one. And you can see now we have those two widgets in a stack, and you can basically swipe across to look at either of the widgets, and they're occupying the same space. And you can go ahead and do that. So tap on edit stack. To add a third one, you can just swipe now and tap on the plus symbol, and then find one from maybe the health app. This one looks like the ones we have there. So tap on add, and that's it. So now we have 3 widgets in a stack. So that is basically how to stack widgets. It makes you, or it allows you to have more widgets in the same, occupying the same space on your home screen. Thanks for watching, and good luck.